Hi everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Devi fejer anggraeni, with NPM 2341165 from Management Class 23C. In this learning video, we will discuss one of the important topics in the service marketing course, namely the service delivery system. Through this material, we will learn how processes, people, and technology work together to create a satisfying service experience for customers. Let's take a closer look at the explanation so we can understand how important a service delivery system is to the success of a service business. The service delivery system is one of the most critical aspects of service marketing because it determines how customers receive and evaluate a service. Essentially, this system is the entire mechanism, stages, and elements involved in delivering a service to customers from start to finish. Unlike physical products that can be touched and stored, services are intangible. Therefore, the delivery method is a key factor influencing customers' perceptions of the quality and value they receive. The concept of a service delivery system encompasses three main pillars: people, process, and physical evidence. These three elements must be interconnected for the service to be effective. For example, in a restaurant, the service delivery system encompasses not only how the food is served but also how the waitstaff serves customers, how the dining room atmosphere is created, and how customers feel comfortable during their stay. Furthermore, a service delivery system also encompasses how an organization manages resources, technology, and workflows to ensure consistent, timely, and high-quality service delivery. In the modern era, consumers judge companies not only by the products they sell, but also by the service experience. Therefore, an effective service delivery system not only creates customer satisfaction but also strengthens brand image and fosters long-term loyalty. Successful service companies like Starbucks, Gojek, or Grab build robust service delivery systems. They focus not only on the end result, like a cup of coffee or a comfortable ride, but also on every stage of the customer experience. From ordering through the app, to the friendliness of the staff, to the cleanliness of the location, to the post-service follow-up, all these aspects form a unified experience that makes customers feel cared for and prioritized. There are several key components that make up an effective service delivery system. Let's discuss them in depth. People or employees are the core of the service system. They are the ones who interact most directly with customers. Their attitude, skills, and empathy are key determinants in creating a positive experience. For example, a hotel employee who greets guests kindly and responds quickly to their needs will leave a lasting impression. Therefore, human resource training is a crucial investment to ensure consistent and high-quality service. Process. A process is the steps a customer must go through from start to finish. Good process design creates efficiency and convenience. For example, fast food restaurants like McDonald's have a highly systematic service process, from ordering to payment to food delivery. All of this is carried out to strict standards to ensure a consistent customer experience at every location. Physical evidence. Even though services are intangible, customers still require physical evidence to assess service quality. This evidence can include building design, company logos, cleanliness, employee uniforms, and even the scent of the room. All of these factors shape customers' perceptions of a company's professionalism. For example, a hospital with modern facilities and clean rooms will instill a sense of security and trust in patients. Technology. In the digital age, technology has become an integral element. Technology simplifies service processes, speeds up response times, and minimizes human error. Online applications, automated reservation systems, and customer service chatbots are all part of modern service delivery systems. For example, airlines now allow passengers to check in online without having to arrive at the airport in advance. Customer involvement. Customers are no longer passive participants. In many services, they play an active role in shaping the final outcome. For example, a salon customer may need to describe their desired haircut, or a patient may need to provide clear health information so a doctor can provide an accurate diagnosis. The higher the level of customer engagement, the greater the chance of optimal satisfaction. All of these components are interrelated and inseparable. A good service delivery system isn't just about one aspect, but rather the alignment of all components to produce consistent, effective, and enjoyable service. The service delivery system can be divided into several forms or operational models, depending on the type of interaction between the customer and the service provider. Customer contact system. In this system, customers interact directly with service providers. Examples include restaurants, hotels, salons, and beauty clinics. Here, the human factor is key to success. Every smile, greeting, and employee action impacts customer perception. Therefore, interpersonal communication and emotion management training are crucial in these systems. Remote service system. Remote service system. Allowing customers to receive services without physical contact with the service provider. For example, call centers, digital banking, or online consultations. In this model, service quality depends on system reliability, response speed, and ease of use of the technology. Even the slightest technical error can impact customer satisfaction, making system maintenance crucial. Hybrid system. A hybrid system combines in-person interactions and digital services. For example, a hospital might have an online registration application but still offer in-person services. This system allows customers to choose the interaction method that best suits their needs. This flexibility enhances the customer experience and expands market reach. Self-service system. Self-service systems are gaining popularity in the modern era due to their high efficiency. Examples include ATMs, automated ticket machines, and supermarket self-checkouts. Customers are trained to serve themselves using technology. The benefits of these systems include time savings and reduced labor costs, but the challenge is ensuring the system is user-friendly and avoids customer confusion. Smart service companies will selecting a service delivery system format that suits market characteristics and the complexity of the service offered. Sometimes, a combination of these formats produces the best results. The influence of service delivery systems on customer satisfaction. The service delivery system directly impacts customer satisfaction levels because customer experiences are shaped during the service interaction process. Satisfaction is determined not only by the final service outcome, but also by how customers are treated, how the process proceeds, and how the company responds to their complaints or needs. When a service delivery system is well designed, for example, with a fast ordering process, clear information, convenient facilities, and friendly staff, customers will feel valued and satisfied. Conversely, a slow, disorganized, or unfriendly system will frustrate customers and they may not return. Furthermore, in today's digital context, customers have increasingly high expectations for speed and ease of service. They want systems that are practical, accessible, and provide a personalized experience. Therefore, companies must be able to adapt to technological advancements without neglecting humanistic values such as friendliness and care. Customer satisfaction can also be influenced by service consistency. Customers will assess whether the service they receive today is as good as the previous one. This consistency builds long-term trust. For example, customers who consistently receive fast service on the Gojek app will perceive the company as reliable and efficient. To maintain the quality of their service delivery system, companies need to conduct regular evaluations, gather customer feedback, and implement continuous innovation. An adaptive and customer-centric delivery system not only increases satisfaction but also strengthens loyalty and forms a lasting emotional connection between customers and the brand. Conclusion: keys to a successful service delivery system. From the entire discussion, it can be concluded that the service delivery system is the primary foundation for creating a superior customer experience. This system encompasses all activities and resources used to deliver services effectively, efficiently, and satisfactorily. Companies seeking to excel in the service market must ensure that all delivery components, from people, processes, technology, to physical evidence, are designed with seamless integration. When all these elements work in harmony, they create a service that not only meets customer needs but also exceeds their expectations. The service delivery system also plays a crucial role in building a company's reputation. Fast, friendly, and consistent service will reinforce a positive image and encourage repeat customers. In the long term, this becomes a source of competitive advantage that is difficult for competitors to imitate. Furthermore, in the digital age, the success of a service delivery system is determined by an organization's ability to combine technological innovation with the human touch. While machines and applications can speed up service, warm, personal interactions remain an irreplaceable core value. Thus, the key to a successful service delivery system lies in striking a balance between operational efficiency and customer care. Companies that can maintain this balance will have loyal customers, a strong image, and high competitiveness in the ever-growing service industry. This is the explanation of the service delivery system. From the discussion above, we can understand that the success of a service company is not only determined by the products offered, but also by how the service is delivered to customers. Hopefully this material can help us understand the concept more clearly and can be applied in the world of work and business that we will run in the future. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next learning material. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.